Hi! Today I'm going to show you how easy it is to sign up for Ahsay Managed Backup as a Service or AMBaaS, a secure and easy-to-use platform designed for MSPs who want to offer reliable backup services at competitive prices, or businesses looking for affordable backups for their data, fully hosted and managed by Ahsay. After successful registration, I'll walk you through the process of installing the AhsayOBM backup agent on a QNAP NAS. If you want to learn how, let's go to my screen and get started. To install AhsayOBM, first, customer must sign up for the free trial of AMBaaS. To do this, go to ahsay.com. Click Free Trial. Scroll down. Under Ahsay Managed Backup, click Free Trial. Fill out the registration form for a 15-day free trial, which includes up to 100 gigabytes of backup storage on Ahsay Drive. Once you have successfully registered for the free trial, proceed with the installation by downloading the AhsayOBM client agent. To do this, open the email you used to register for the free trial account. Click on the email with the subject Ahsay Product Evaluation Request. Click the link to the download page of your AMBaaS console. To proceed, from the download page of your AMBaaS console, you'll see the online installers of AhsayOBM, AhsayACB, Mobile, and Restore for different operating systems and NAS. Since we're already on the AhsayOBM tab, just look for the QNAP section and click on the QPKG online installer. Once you click on it, it would automatically download the QNAP package installer for AhsayOBM. Now that you have the QNAP package installer for AhsayOBM, go to your QNAP NAS. From your QNAP desktop, click on the App Center. Then click on the install icon, which reads Install Manually. This will prompt the Install Manually window. Click Browse. The Downloads folder will pop up. Look for the QNAP package installer that you have just downloaded. Select the said file and click Open. Click Install. Select OK. You just have to wait for a while until the installation is complete. Once the installation has finished, AhsayOBM icon will appear on the App Center. To start AhsayOBM, from the App Center, hover your mouse on the AhsayOBM icon, then click Open. You will be redirected to the login page of AhsayOBM. When AhsayOBM is launched for the first time, two options are shown: Free Trial and Login. As we already have a login account, click Login. Enter your login credentials to access your account. Then click OK. And that's how you install AhsayOBM on a QNAP NAS. Very quick and easy. Sign up for our free trial today to safeguard critical data across multiple devices: PCs, notebooks, servers, NAS, or mobile devices. AMBaaS has you covered. With low-cost monthly subscription plans starting from $1 per month, you can offer a professional, cost-effective service without the need for upfront investment in hardware, storage, or software licenses. Don't wait. Secure, reliable, and affordable data protection with Ahsay is just a click away. If you want to learn how to secure your business and personal data, hit like, subscribe, and turn on notifications for more Ahsay backup tips and insights.